So you might be trying to figure out how you can use Apple Pay on your iPhone. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic. First thing to keep in mind is that you will have to have a credit card or some sort of payment method attached to your iPhone. So you can go through and double click on the side of your particular iPhone right here to invoke into Apple Pay, your power button, your side button, double click into it, and that might allow you to get into Apple Pay. There's also a chance it may not end up doing it. So what you might end up having to do is go inside of your wallet application. So go right inside of wallet right here, and you want to go ahead and start inputting your credit card. So click on the plus button right at the top right corner. So click on this plus button right up here, and you are going to basically have to, set up Face ID and, passcode and all that stuff in order to go and set it up. So go through, set up that information, and then after kind of going through that way, what you're going to be asked to do then is you're going to be asked to basically set up your particular wallet. So here, what you can start doing is you can go through and add in a previous card if you have one, or you can go through and add an Apple account, a debit or credit card, transit card, driver's license, or if you have a credit card already built inside of your iPhone, you can also tap on the one down here. So go through, choose whichever one. If you have a debit or credit card, if you just tap on that, it's going to allow you to basically just set up Apple Pay right from there. So what you can do is you can click on continue, and then you can add your credit card just by going through and entering your card details here. So you can go through and take a picture of your card this way, it's going to automatically take it in. Or you can go through and enter your card details here automatically or manually, and you have that option there as well. So you have a few different ways of kind of going about it. Now, once it's in, right, once you already have your credit card, it's going to bring in your credit card inside of the wallet application right here. So now all you're going to have to do is basically just go through and essentially use your credit card. So if you're near a tap to pay, cash register or something, double click on the side button right here inside of your iPhone. So double click right here. Or if you have an iPhone with the home button, double click on the home button. And then it's going to bring up into Apple Pay. And all you're going to have to do is bring your iPhone close to the register, the tap to pay area, and it will basically tap to pay at that point. So that's basically how it's done. It's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.